way to Starbucks right now because my girl Ella sent me a gift card for Starbucks. So I wasn't gonna have Starbucks this weekend. I was just gonna make my own coffees because I didn't really have the funds, but she sent it to me. Thank you. Oh, I'm here at Starbucks and I got my coffee, and I also wanted to say a big thank you to Barb. She also helped me out. Because of her, I was able to get my psoriasis prescription. So yeah, this one's not doing so great. It's very sore. This one, which is much larger, is actually feeling better. So just putting that stuff on it, it's so amazing how quickly it started working. This one is still very sore though, so hopefully soon that will start to heal. But this is just my Saturday. I don't know what this video will turn into. I'm not going grocery shopping this weekend or anything like that, so might just be like a day in the vlog of like, I don't know, what I'm eating or something. Not sure. Anyways, I'm next. Hey guys! Can you hear that? Yeah, that's hail. This is some pretty big hail coming down right now. Holy crap. My son and I, oh gosh. This is probably about, I don't even know. I'm trying to think, like, this is maybe dime size hail, close to. It looks like the hail is starting to, oh geez, now. Okay, the sky is getting brighter. This is crazy. I could not see anything. I was sopping wet, and we did not go very far from the store. I still have to get cat litter. This is not even the worst of the storm. We are supposed to have horrible weather today. It's still hailing a little bit, but not as bad. But while it's cleared up some, we're gonna head out again.
No. Thank you.
We have to go get cat litter.
No, thank you.
We have no cat litter in the litter box at all.
Thank you.
I had to empty the whole thing. My eyeshadow is all crazy. Okay, guys. Oh my God, you guys. Oh my God. So, this may sound so ridiculous that I'm so excited about this and I'm almost about to cry, but I had some Kohl's cash, and so I went to Kohl's and I got a size 16 short, and this is just a 2X shirt. But so here's the shirt. Here's the size 16 shorts. You guys, yes, I have a pooch, but they fit. They're not super tight, but they fit. They're not super tight. They're actually really comfortable. I am a size 16.
I thought you said 14.
No, these are 16s.
You said 14.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't. These are a size 16. 16. Oh my God.